The Great Big Bible Story! Play it!
Hey, it's Andrew from the Great Big Bible Story. I'm here in my dining room, and I'm going to show you a quick how to play for the Shepherd's Race game in the Christmas magazine. This game right here at the back. Now, this is kind of a placeholder video. Obviously, it doesn't match our other videos, but I wanted to have this in the magazine ASAP. And then, of course, we're going to replace this with a real fully produced video pretty soon. But this way, I can show you real quick. So check this out. First, you're going to cut out pieces right along here. You're going to cut along the solid lines and fold along the dotted lines. That will give you the 4 shepherds as your player pieces and the board. Place all the shepherds you're using for your players on the start space here. So if you have 4 players, you'd use all 4 like this. And you're going to go from youngest to oldest. So the youngest player takes the first turn. Let's say that that's purple shepherd here. They're going to jump into the lead, either by 1 or by 2 spaces. So let's say, like most kids like to choose, they try and go the farthest, the fastest. So let's say they choose 2 spaces. Then the next player, let's say it's the red shepherd, they are going to jump into the lead, and they can either jump 1 or 2 spaces ahead. Let's say they jump 2 also. Okay, the next player, let's say it's blue, they're going to jump 1 or 2, but let's say they choose 1. Then last player is green, and let's say they choose 2. Once all players have taken a turn, then you just go back to the first player and keep playing. So now it's purple. They're going to jump all the way into the lead, and just like before, 1 or 2 spaces ahead. So when you keep doing that, players will leapfrog, eventually making it all the way to baby Jesus, just like that. In this case, the green player would have won. And that's it. Super simple little game that you can play with your kids. Now here's a couple of tips. If your kids get frustrated because the same thing happens or they can't seem to win, you could do what I did with my oldest. She was just trying to go as fast as she could every time, always going 2 spaces, and she never could seem to win. And I said, the person who goes the fastest doesn't always win. So this time, try and go 1 space instead of going 2 spaces all the time, and see if that helps. And that actually did. She started to win. She could kind of strategize a little bit more. So you can get some little lessons out of it, find ways to make it fun, and switch it up with your kids. So that's how to play Shepherd's Race in the Great Big Bible Story Christmas magazine.